All right, geometry. Last problem from section 1.8. So it says points B at -3, 4, and C at 3, -6 are the endpoints of a diameter of circle A. Part A, graph circle A using 1, the center A, and 2, point B. All right, so there's a specific way you have to use the circle tool. You have to know the center and a point on the circle. So that's why I'm being very specific. Well, we don't know where point A is yet. We need to find that first. Well, let's draw a circle real fast and talk about the endpoints of a diameter in the center. So here's my circle. Okay. Here is my center. Call it A because it's circle A. And then let me just draw a diameter going straight across. So this would be B and this would be C. So my question is, where is A located in terms of B and C? Well, A is located smack dab in the middle. The idea that the diameter is made up of 2 radii mean that from A to B is a radius, from A to C is a radius. They have to be the same. So that means A is the midpoint. And we can use the midpoint formula with points B and C. Midpoint formula, we need an x1, y1, and x2, y2. So let's let B's coordinates be x1, y1, C's x2, y2. To find the coordinates of point A, the midpoint is the average of the x's. Add them, divide by 2. And the average of your y's. Add them, divide by 2. So that's going to be -3 plus 3, the 2x coordinates, divided by 2, and 4 plus -6, the 2y coordinates, divided by 2. Well, -3 plus 3 is 0, so that's 0 divided by 2. 4 plus -6 plus a minus is just overall minus, so that's 4 minus 6. You're taking away 2 extra than you have, so that's why it's a -2. Right, 4 minus 6. And this comes out to be 0, because then 0 divided by anything is 0. And then this is -1. I should say 0 divided by anything but 0. And there we go. And that's your coordinates for A. So I'm going to graph the circle using the point 0, -1, and then B, which is -3, 4. So let's watch this. Got to erase that. So 0, -1 goes first, and I'll put it right there. So 0 means do not go left to right, and then just go down 1. And then B is at -3, 4. And there's your circle. Okay. So now we scroll down. Now it says, okay, find the circumference in the area of the circle. Well, let's talk about this. Okay. So to find the circumference, let me scoot this up so I can see the picture. The picture is important. That's why I added it as the first part of the question. To find the circumference, I'm going to use the 2 pi r equation. And to find the area, it's the same formula, just with the 2 as the exponent, pi r squared. So we need to find the radius, which is the length between, or the distance between A and B. Well, let's go ahead and draw our right triangle. I could have drawn it above or below. I'll draw it below. This is my x, this is my y. Let's find this distance d. So the x is 1, 2, 3. The y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to find the radius, right, this r is my radius. I shouldn't have called it d, I should call it r. To find my radius, I'm going to take 3 squared plus 5 squared and do it in the square root. Again, just find out what 3 squared plus 5 squared is. That's 9, and 25, that's 34. 34 is not a perfect square. So to find the circumference, I'm simply going to do 2 pi times the square root of 34. And to find my area, I'm going to do pi square root of 34 squared. Okay, and let's type these both into Desmos graphing calculator and see what we get. We should get decimal answers because we're working with pi. It says round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so 2 pi is here. Square root is there, 34. All right, so there's 36.6. The 3 keeps the 6 as 6, the 3 in the hundreds place. So 36.6. And then my area is pi square root of 34. And then I'll just use, I'll click out to the right, and then I'll use this a squared button squared. And that's 106.8. The 1 does not change the 8. So 36.6 and 106.8. So I'll scroll down, 36.6. and 106.8. Nice. All right, very good. So make sure you get the Delta Math assignment done and the Edge Elastic assignment done. Lots of fun times with section 1.8.